how to manage likes, notifications, settings on Instagram Threads. Easy and quick. If you want to manage it, all you have to do first, open Instagram Threads and then go to your profile, and after that go to these two lines here and then go to notifications, and now go to threads and replies. Now you will find likes, notification settings here, and now if you want to change it, you can turn it off, or you can enable likes notifications from everyone, and that's it. Just select anything you want here and go back. It will be saved as you see here, and that's it. And thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.